Hello students, welcome back to a new series of mathematics program for grade 9. In this video, we are going to talk about the chapter Vectors and Translation. Well friends, this session is the fourth and final part regarding this chapter. So let's start. In this program, you are going to learn how to draw the image of a point or shape under a translation and how to draw the object when image and translation vector are given. Let's begin by learning about drawing the image of a point or shape under a translation. In example 1, we have to draw the image B' of the given point B under the given translation T. Here, the translation T, having components 6 and -5, moves point B 6 units to the right, followed by 5 units downwards, thereby leading to the image B'. In example 2, we have to draw the image X', Y' of the given line segment XY under the given translation T. Students, in order to draw the image of a line segment under a translation T, first move the end points to their respective images. Then join the images by a straight line. Here, the translation T, having components -2 and 5, moves point X 2 units to the left, followed by 5 units upwards. Thus, we obtain the image X'. Similarly, this translation moves point Y to Y'. Now, to draw the image of the line segment XY, we just have to join the images X' and Y' by a straight line. In example 3, we have to draw the image X' of the given triangle X under the given translation T. Friends, in order to draw the image of a shape under a translation T, first move the vertices to their respective images. Then join the images. Here, the translation T, having components 4 and 2, moves the vertex A 4 units to the right, followed by 2 units upwards. Thus, we obtain the vertex A'. Similarly, this translation moves point B to B' and point C to C'. Now, in order to draw the triangle X', we just have to join its vertices A', B' and C' by straight lines as illustrated on the grid. Students, now you are ready to learn about drawing the object when image and translation vector are given. Suppose the translation T maps object A onto image A' and the translation T1 maps image A' onto object A. Now, if we express T in column form by considering the horizontal and vertical movements starting from object A, which are 5 units to the right followed by 4 units upwards, we are going to obtain 5 as the horizontal component and 4 as the vertical component. Now, if we express T1 in column form by considering the horizontal and vertical movements starting from the image A', which are 5 units to the left followed by 4 units downwards, we obtain -5 as the horizontal component. and negative 4 as the vertical component. So the vector T1 equals negative of the vector with components 5 and 4. Therefore, T1 is equal to negative T, implying they are negative vectors. Hence, if the vector T having components h and k is the translation which maps A onto A dash, then the vector negative T having components negative h and negative k is the translation which maps A dash onto A. In example 4, we have to draw the object P given its image P dash and the translation T which maps P onto P dash. Students, remember, if the translation T maps object P onto image P dash, then translation negative T maps image P dash onto object P. In part A, the vector negative T is equal to negative of the vector with components 3 and 5, which equals the vector with components negative 3 and negative 5. Now, the translation negative T moves the image P dash 3 units to the left, followed by 5 units downwards, thereby leading to the object P. In the second part, the vector negative T equals the vector with components 2 and negative 2. Here, the translation negative T moves the end points of the image P dash 2 units to the right, followed by 2 units downwards. Hence, we obtain the end points of the object P. Now, in order to draw the object P, we just have to join its endpoints by a straight line. In part C, the vector negative T has components 0 and negative 4. Now, this translation negative T moves the vertices of the shape P dash 4 units downwards as shown on the grid. Now, to draw the shape P, we just have to join its vertices by straight lines, as illustrated on the grid. Hence, we obtain the object P. Students, now it's time to take some exercises for practice which will definitely help you to understand better today's lesson. So take note. Question number 1. Question 2. To summarize, in this program you have learned how to draw the image of a point or shape under a translation, and how to draw the object of a point or shape given the image and the translation vector. Friends, here are some links which will provide you with additional information regarding today's lesson. So take note. Students, this video on vectors and translation ends here. Remember that this program was the fourth and final part of the chapter on vectors and translation. In the first and second parts, we talked about vectors. In the third and fourth parts, we talked about translation. Students, hope these videos will help you in your studies. On this, it's a goodbye from me.